Learn English to Gujarati, significant, decisive and relevant with
महत्वपूर्ण,
welcome to the word party. Hey, you're here, and that is already
महत्वपूर्ण,
Today you'll learn a small gang of very serious words in a very unserious way. Imagine a meeting room. Everyone looks dramatic. A potato in glasses clears its throat and says, "Friends, this snack summit is."
महत्वपूर्ण,
Quote. Then a tiny ant jumps onto the table and presses a red button. Everyone gasps. That was
निर्णायक,
Quote. In the corner, a teacher whispers, "Please give only
संबंधित,
comments. Nobody asked about your pet cucumber." Finally, the boss says, "This meeting is
मुख्यत्वे,
about one thing, vocabulary." And just to keep you awake, one man enters.
पहिरेलू,
A bright yellow jacket, as if grammar class were a fashion show. Your key words today. Let's meet the stars of the chapter. Say them out loud with confidence, even if your cat judges your accent. Significant is.
महत्वपूर्ण,
It means something important, meaningful, or having strong impact. Example. This factor is.
महत्वपूर्ण,
For the final result. Decisive is.
निर्णायक,
It means outcome changing, the thing that really decides it. Example. The final vote was.
निर्णायक,
Quote. Primarily is.
मुख्यत्वे,
It means mainly, chiefly, for the most part. Example. This policy is.
मुख्यत्वे,
For students. Relevant is.
संबंधित,
It means connected to the topic, useful to the matter. Example. Please share only
संबंधित,
details. And our bonus funny visitor. Wearing is.
पहिरेलू,
Example. The man.
पहिरेलू,
Glasses smiled. A ridiculously important scene. Now listen to a short story. Your mission is simple. Notice how the Gujarati words fit naturally into the scene. Reena walked into the office.
पहिरेलू,
Blue shoes and a face full of determination. Today was no ordinary day. Today was the day of the great presentation of spreadsheets nobody had read. Her manager pointed at one chart and said, "This is."
महत्वपूर्ण,
If we ignore it, the whole plan may collapse like a biscuit in hot tea. Then another colleague raised a hand and asked a very smart, very
संबंधित,
question. Everyone nodded. Even the office plant looked impressed. Suddenly, the internet stopped. Gasps. Panic. Someone nearly hugged the printer. Reena stayed calm, clicked one backup file, and saved the meeting. The boss whispered, that action was.
निर्णायक,
Quote. At the end, the team agreed the project was
मुख्यत्वे,
about solving one urgent problem, not adding 50 shiny but useless slides. Say it like you mean it. Time for repetition. You speak, I cheer silently like a proud language coach holding pom-poms. Say.
महत्वपूर्ण,
Again.
महत्वपूर्ण,
This means significant. Say.
निर्णायक,
Again.
निर्णायक,
This means decisive. Say.
मुख्यत्वे,
Again.
मुख्यत्वे,
This means primarily. Say.
संबंधित,
Again.
संबंधित,
This means relevant. Bonus. Say.
पहिरेलू,
Again.
पहिरेलू,
This means wearing. Mini dialogues, maximum drama. Let's make these words talk. Tiny dialogue, big memory. A. Is this detail necessary? B. Yes, it is.
महत्वपूर्ण,
A. Was that the key moment? B. Absolutely. It was.
निर्णायक,
A. What is this report about? B. It is.
मुख्यत्वे,
About education. A. Should I include this example? B. Only if it is.
संबंधित,
A. Who is the man in the corner? B. The one.
पहिरेलू,
Sunglasses indoors? Nobody knows. Memory tricks that stick. Now let's glue these words into your brain, gently and without actual glue. 4.
महत्वपूर्ण,
Imagine a giant golden key opening an important door. If it glows, it must be significant. 4.
निर्णायक,
Imagine a final domino falling. One move decides everything. That is decisive. 4.
मुख्यत्वे,
Picture many items on a table, but one has a crown. That one is the main focus, primarily important. 4.
संबंधित,
Imagine a folder that accepts only matching papers. If it fits the topic, it is relevant. 4.
पहिरेलू,
Mime putting on a hat. If it is already on you, it is wearing or worn. Quick challenge. Let's see if your brain is awake or just pretending politely. Answer before I do. What is the Gujarati word for significant?
महत्वपूर्ण,
What is the Gujarati word for decisive?
निर्णायक,
What is the Gujarati word for primarily?
मुख्यत्वे,
What is the Gujarati word for relevant?
संबंधित,
What is the Gujarati word for wearing?
पहिरेलू,
Build your own sentences. Now you do the heavy lifting. Don't worry, these sentences are lighter than gym dumbbells and more useful. Try saying, this change is.
महत्वपूर्ण,
Quote. Try saying, that was a
निर्णायक,
moment. Try saying, the course is.
मुख्यत्वे,
For beginners. Try saying, your question is.
संबंधित,
Quote. Try saying, she came.
पहिरेलू,
A green dress. Friendly conclusion. You made it, and that is genuinely impressive. Your vocabulary is now wearing a tiny crown and feeling fabulous. Today you practiced.
महत्वपूर्ण,
For significant.
निर्णायक,
For decisive.
मुख्यत्वे,
For primarily.
संबंधित,
For relevant and.
पहिरेलू.
For wearing. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, and use them in your own sentences. Bit by bit, your English to Gujarati vocabulary will become stronger, sharper, and much more.
महत्वपूर्ण,
In real life.